starting the last match now. We're heading to Fox Dittos on Yoshi's story this time. Man Lee losing a little bit of confidence in his Marth. But if there's a match you could say Santa Wolf is best at, it's probably this. Oh, barely missed the down smash edge guard. Oh. Nice neutral there, that ties it up. Fresh stock, 3 stock apiece. Wow. Matchup seems to be working out a little bit better for Man Lee thus far. Nice back air tech chase. Oh, almost gets the up air kill. Oh, wow. Nice. That's a beautiful stock there by Man Lee. It puts him up by 50%. I don't know if it's a nice combo, taking it back. That'll be it for that whole stock. Fresh stocks again, 2 apiece. The beauty of Fox Dittos. I don't know if it's a nice quick combo. Nice back air there by Man Lee. Working in the spacing. Double jab. Reverse back air. Oh, wow. Hates those Shy Guys. Oh, nice edge guarding by Silent Wolf. Silent Wolf with 2 stock and a high percent versus Man Lee's fresh stock, just 1. Man Lee finding it really difficult to get that last kill. There we go. Using that shield push to make sure he's blocking the attacks into a quick back air when he knows he has the room. Oh my gosh! Ridiculous Fox combo by Man Lee. Wow, I don't even know what to say. Silent Wolf takes the match. Amazing combo by Man Lee, but Silent Wolf still takes the 3-0 match and goes on to play Mewtwo King in Grand Finals of Tourney Play Melee.